Hey friends, I just found the new K-pop Demon Hunters activity book at 5 Below, and wait till you see what's inside. I'm also showing you the best finds I spotted. Some are even cheaper on Amazon. Let's get started. And that was the flip through of the book. All the answers are actually at the end, in the last few pages. I also want to mention that this book was $10 at Five Below, and they have so many options. Let me show you what else I found. They have really cool friendship bracelets, like Mira, Zoe, and Rumi. They also have blind boxes, and I got one. I'll show it in another short video. They have t-shirts, especially for holidays, and so many cute ones. They also have those cute tube toys and surprise eggs. There are also a lot of other books. Activity books like the one I just showed you. They also have comics, and kids love comics, so that's really fun. They even have poster books. There's honestly a big collection to choose from. I also want to mention that I found all these items on Amazon too, if you're interested. I'll leave my link down below. Some prices are actually cheaper on Amazon. Like this book, I got it for almost $10, but on Amazon it's around $8, so it's a great option. Make sure to check out the link. I saved all the best finds there. The link will be in the description and also in the first comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more viral finds every week. And I'll see you in the next one.